In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDFs not displaying correctly in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've ever experienced issues with PDFs not loading properly or appearing garbled, you're not alone. This is a common problem faced by many users, and fortunately, it's relatively simple to fix. So, let's dive right into the solution. First, we'll focus on a potential issue with the program itself. Sometimes, the files within Adobe Acrobat Reader can become corrupted or go missing, especially after a system update or unexpected shutdown. This can result in PDFs not displaying as they should. The good news is that there's a built-in feature in Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows that can help resolve this. It's the Repair Installation tool. You can find this under the Help menu in your Adobe Acrobat Reader. Just launch your Adobe Acrobat Reader and, at the top of the window, you'll see a menu. Click on Help and from the drop-down, select Repair Installation. What this essentially does is it checks the integrity of the program files and replaces or repairs any that are found to be damaged or missing. Allow the process to complete, which usually takes a few moments depending on your system. Once it's finished, the repair process should hopefully resolve any issues you've been experiencing with corrupted displays. Now, if you are using a Mac, the process is slightly different since repair installation isn't available in the same manner. Instead, what you'll want to do is reinstall Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, make sure to uninstall the existing program by going to your Applications folder and moving Adobe Acrobat Reader to the trash. After, be sure to empty your trash to remove all related files. Next, head over to Adobe's official website to download the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Install it by following the on-screen instructions, which typically involves just dragging the application into your Applications folder. Reinstalling the program should ensure that you have all the necessary files intact and updated, potentially fixing any display issues you've been encountering. Once you've either repaired or reinstalled the software, it's time to test it out. Open the PDF that was giving you trouble before. If everything went according to plan, it should now display correctly, without any of the previous glitches. If the problem still persists, there might be another underlying issue, such as the PDF file itself being corrupted or other software conflicts on your computer. In such cases, you might want to consider examining the PDF file through a different reader to see if the issue persists or consult Adobe's support for further assistance. That's it for today. I hope this guide has helped fix the PDF display issues in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.